welcome to my channel. I'm Mai, a local Japanese cooking and dessert expert. Today, I will be exploring Costco located in Kawasaki in Japan. As you may know, Costco is a US-based retail store in which bulk quantities of merchandise are sold at discounted prices to its members. This retail shop is really famous for big-sized products, and many of them cannot be found in local supermarkets. And they sell groceries, household items, and have a food court. Today, I'm really excited to find what amazing items we can discover and delicious food we can try here. Okay, let's go! It was already 1:30, so we decided to visit a food court and eat something first. I got a slice of pizza. Look at how huge it is. So let's give it a try. Oh, すごい大きい。おいしい。It's really good. We also got a hot dog. This is served with a drink, and it is only 180 yen. And last item is a huge cheeseburger. In the frozen section, I found a big bag of frozen takoyaki. There are 60 pieces of takoyaki balls in each bag. This is frozen gyudon from Yoshinoya. Toppings for beef rice ball. You can enjoy Yoshinoya beef rice balls at home. I checked out with the cashier now, so let me share what items I got from Costco today. These are bagels. I got sesame and blueberries. And these are parchment papers for my baking. This is Italian Parma ham. This is called Rollino snack. Stick of cheese are wrapped in Italian hams. These looks really delicious. And this is multiple vitamins. This cheese is called burrata from Hokkaido, and this brand is really famous. And lastly, beef tongue. So I'm back to Kawasaki Station. Well, it was a really fun time. I really had a wonderful time there. And it was the first visit that I have ever made, but I really want to come back. So, on this channel, I share about authentic Japanese home cooking and information about delicious local foods from Japan. If you are a fan of all things Japanese and want to learn about our local foods in depth, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I create a variety of Japanese traditional sweets called wagashi and share on my Instagram. You can search for @MissWagashi. So thank you for joining me with Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!